Imagine walking into a forest where the silence feels alive. In Japan, nature isn't just something people visit, it's something they respect. Deep in the mountains, ancient cedar trees stand, older than entire civilizations, while hidden hot springs stream beside rivers that freeze in winter. And on tiny islands, wild deer and monkeys live closer to humans than anywhere else on earth. Even the forest sound different here because wind, water and bamboo create natural music together. In Japan, people believe nature has a spirit, and honestly, after seeing this place, you might believe it too. Japan doesn't force you to slow down, but somehow its nature makes the whole world breathe quieter.